Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, this is Mohsin Azam interacting with you from our YouTube channel Business Innovation. Today we are going to start our 18th lesson of Excel tutorial, data sorting and filtering in Excel. So in this lesson we will discuss data sorting, multiple level of sorting, then data filtering, advanced filtering, and then filtering and sorting in Excel data table. So first of all we will start with data sorting. Excel sort function sorts the content of a range or array in ascending or descending order. So what the sort option is doing in Excel is just to sort or arrange the data in descending or ascending order in any array or range of cells. Just click in array and click sort. So for example, we have one array or group of cell, or we can say a table here, and if we want to sort it, we can go to data, and from the data we have sort and filter option here. This sort and filter option is divided further into two windows. One is for the sorting, one is for the filtering. So in the sorting, first of all we have sort A to Z from lowest to highest, and then sort from Z to A, highest to lowest. So for example, if we click in any cell of the table, and if we sort it from A to Z or low to high by clicking this option, this data is sorted from A to Z. So now all the employees which start from A is updated in the table in the above cells and followed by B and then followed by the other letters. If we click in the second column and click the same sort by A to Z, it will change. Again it will arrange the table based on the second column. Similarly, if you click Z to A by clicking in the second column and by clicking Z to A, so it will rearrange the data starting from the descending order. Similarly, if you click the third column where we have the cell values, and if you sort it from A to Z, so it will arrange from the lowest to highest. As if you click here we have the sort option for smaller to larger, and also it's written lowest to highest. And if you click the second one, it's written highest to lowest by clicking this. Now highest value will be on the top and the lower will be at the bottom. The third option is by clicking in the array or the table and then click the sort option from here. So a new window will be appear. In this window, if you see, first here we have my data has headers. If your array contain an header, you have to check here, otherwise you can remove the tick mark and add level. So we can add number of levels here. We can delete the level and we can copy the level. So for example, now if I want to sort this array or table by employee name, and then we have cell values. In cell values we have sort on option, we have different option: cell values, cell color, font color, and conditional formatting icon. And then in the order you can put here the order. Similarly, as we discussed before, ascending or descending order, or you can click customize. In the customize, you can add here high, low, medium. Here what I will do, here I will select cell value and I will arrange it from A to Z, and by clicking OK, this column will be sorted from A to Z. Now if I come again here, if I want to add another level of sorting, so what I will do, I will click here add level, and then I can add the another level, which if I select here sales and cell value, same I will select here cell value, and here automatically by selecting the column here, the column name here, the Excel will understand what order the Excel should keep. So here, as the cells are in numbers, so here the order will be smaller to largest, or you can change it to larger to smallest. So like this we can do the multiple level of sorting, and by clicking OK, the data will be sorted first from A to Z and then from highest to lowest. Similarly, here we have different options in sorting. Sort on by cell values, by cell color, by font color, and conditional formatting icon. Here in the second level, now I will select here cell color. Now in the cell color we have different type of colors. For example, the green I will select here, as my table have green color, and I will keep this green color on the bottom, and I will add another label, and here same I will select the cells again, and cell color, no cell color, I will select here the yellow one, and this I will keep on the top. So first what I am asking here, I will change now from A to Z to Z to A. So first I want to arrange my employee from Z to A, and in the second level I want to keep the green on the bottom and the yellow on the top. By clicking OK, see now here first the data is sorted from Z to A, and then the second logic, the green will be on the top and the yellow will be on the bottom. Here if you change this to, for example, if you change this one to the last, now what is my logic? First of all, I want to take the green on the bottom and the yellow on the top, and then I will sort the employees from Z to A, and by clicking OK, now see here the yellow is on the top and the green is on the bottom, and then the data is sorted further from Z to A. Okay, after this we have data filtering. The filter function in Excel is used to filter a range of data based on the criteria that you specify. Okay, the same what you have to do here. For example, I have a range of cells here or a table, and if I want to apply any filter on this, I can go again to data, and here sort and filter, I can click here filter, or the shortcut here is Ctrl+Shift+L. So by clicking filter, here this drop down list will appear. Now the Excel will identify the data in the column and will give you the option I, if the text option related to text, and OK. So here by clicking the drop down list, here a new window will appear. So here the option is text filter. So here you can apply the filter equal to, does not equal to, beginning with, end with, contains, does not contain, custom filter. Similarly, if you click this one, because here we have in this column the numbers, so by clicking drop down list here, and if you see here number filter, so Excel will identify the series in the cell, and based on this it will give you the filter option. Here as we have in the cells numbers, so from the drop down list or from the new window, it will give the option related to number filters, and for the first and second column, for example for the location, it will give text filter, because the column contain text. Okay, so now by starting from the first column text filter, we have here different options equal to. So for example, if I click here equal to, so now here I have to define what I want to filter. So equal to, if I want to filter here Babar, and by clicking OK, see now the Babar is filtered. OK, I can clear the filter by clicking this, and now again if I want to filter equal to, if I want to use the multiple level of filtering, so here I can select Brazil, or equal to again and then Pakistan, and by clicking OK, now it will give us the filter, the data of Brazil and Pakistan. Similarly, I can clear here the filter again. Now again, now if I want to filter here the numbers, so I can filter here equal to, does not equal to, or greater than. These are the different options. For example, if I select here greater than, now greater than, and if I can select here 150 or 154, or I can write here 150, and by clicking OK, it will give us all the value which is greater than 150, but I can modify it because all are greater than 150. Number formatting greater than, by define here 160, so it will give us all the value which is greater than 160. OK, I will clear the filter and I will come here. Now I will go to filter again, and here text filter, and here I can click the custom filter, and from the custom filter here I have different option: does not equal to, greater than, or equal to, less than, end with, does not end with, contains. If I here click contains, and now employee is the filter which we want to apply here, it will be on the column of employee, and here if I write here A and then this one, so all the employee which contain A, and by clicking OK, so all the employees which is here contain A. What I will do, I will modify the filter a little more, contain here, contain AS, and by clicking OK, it will filter all AS, all the employees which contain AS. OK, after this advanced filtering will extract the specific data from the list. So for example, from the data, click advanced. Okay, here I have one list or table, and here I will fix my criteria. First of all, I will remove here Alt Home EA, and also I will remove from here Alt Home EA. Now criteria, what I will do, I will copy the same here for the criteria. This I will remove at the moment, delete. Okay, now from the data we have here advanced. By clicking advanced, you have to click here a copy, because if you apply this on the same list, it will remove the other data, so better to create a copy. So I will click here the copy, then list range. In the list range I have to select the list, so this is the list range which is okay. After this criteria range, so criteria I will select from here. is the criteria, and now where you want to copy. So I want to copy here, and by clicking OK, unique record only. If you want to remove the duplicate, you can click here unique record, but I will not check this one, and I will click OK. But keep in mind that criteria range here, it does not contain anything. So by clicking OK, it will not give us, it will give the whole table. So by clicking control all, alt home EA. Now I will define here criteria Abid Ali, and here what I will do, I will define sales greater than 150. Okay, now I'll go to data, advanced criteria range. Okay, and now create a copy, select here this location is okay. Now by clicking OK, see now criteria is employee, and if the sale is greater than 152, give us the filtered data here. So here in this entire table we have one time Abid, for which location is Brazil, and sale is 152. Here I can modify here the criteria as, instead of Abid Ali, I will define here Azhar Ali, and here I will write which contain you. Now I will go to advanced. This range is okay, but this range I will change now to here. Sorry, this is criteria range. Okay, and now I want to create a copy. Now I will select the locations. I will select this location, and then OK, and by clicking OK, it will give us Azhar Ali Russia, because Russia also contain U and Turkey also contain U, and these are the sales value. So like this you can use the advanced filtering option to just bring the specific data, just to bring out the specific data from the list. After this, filtering and sort option in Excel table. So here I have one array. So first of all, what we will do, we will convert this array to table. So by clicking Ctrl T, my table has headers. If your table has header, you have to check, otherwise no need to check. And by clicking OK, this range is now converted to a table. So if you see here, we have a filter button here. We have the drop down list here. You can sort the data from Z to A, sort by color, or sort by A to Z, Z to A, and sort by color option also you have. And you have the text filter also, they are same as. If you click here on the sales, the number filter will be appear. If you want to remove the filtering and sorting option from the table, you can uncheck the filter button and it will be removed. Okay, so that's it for today's discussion regarding sorting and filtering in Excel. If you like the video, please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel Business Innovation, and like my Facebook page. Thanks for watching.